Hey Quizzers! Welcome back to Quick Quiz. Today we've got an exciting challenge. Choose one button, mom or dad. Get ready to make some hilarious, awkward, and totally tough choices. But before we start, make sure to subscribe for more quizzes, games, and fun challenges. Let's go! Who would you choose, mom or dad? Go with this amusement park ride. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Gets your phone password. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Go skiing together. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Watch Despicable Me 4 with you. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Bake this chocolate cake. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Cut their hair like this. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Swap clothes for a day with you? Who would you choose, mom or dad? Organize your birthday party. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Do a public dance routine. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Walk confidently in high heels. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Tell the best jokes. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Teach you how to drive? Who would you choose, mom or dad? Cook, but who's worse at it? Who would you choose, mom or dad? Read you a bedtime story? Who would you choose, mom or dad? Go skydiving with you? Who would you choose, mom or dad? Cutting your hair? Who would you choose, mom or dad? Eating at the cafeteria? Who would you choose, mom or dad? Spending $10,000. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Go camping under the stars. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Watch Inside Out 2 together. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Eat spicy food. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Ask for a dog on your birthday. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Spend a night in this luxury hotel. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Help with your homework. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Dive into a ball pit. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Introduce your crush to them. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Play video games. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Vacation on a paradise island. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Face the principal's office together. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Show your report card. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Survive a deserted island adventure. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Swim in shark-infested waters. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Decorate your room. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Buy you a new computer. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Keep your deepest secret. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Read your diary. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Manage all your money. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Take an exam for you. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Take you on a road trip. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Binge watch your favorite series. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Build a treehouse together. Who would you choose, mom or dad? go shopping for clothes. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Solve a puzzle with you. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Help with your school project. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Do a karaoke duet. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Cheer for you at a sports game. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Teach you how to swim. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Help you pull a harmless prank. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Help you write a heartfelt letter. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Teach you how to dance. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Pack your lunch for school. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Pick up your forgotten homework. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Be your partner in a board game night. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Help you train for a sports event. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Join you in a charity event. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Be your teammate in a quiz competition. Who would you choose, mom or dad? Write your apology letter to the teacher. Pick your favorite choices and share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun challenges. See you in the next quiz.